many a times you will face this kind of problems, especially when you shut down your PC when it is in update mode. So at that time you might have some important file in your laptop, so you don't know how to back up that one. So if you don't know backup, then the file will be lost. So I'll teach you option how to keep save your file when Windows went wrong. Okay, so I'll just teach you. Go to troubleshoot, and after that go to advanced option, and let's go to command prompt and type here notepad plus exe, and just hit enter button. Now notepad will be open, and just go to file, just open, control O, or you can do open. And if you have any important file you want to backup, especially in C, so go to C and just copy the files, I mean the important files that you have, and just paste it to some other disk. Suppose if you have file in C, just you can paste it to other disks like E, F, G, whatever you have, so you can paste it here. So in this way you can back up your files. So if you like my video, just share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the upcoming videos. Okay, so I'll teach you how to even fix this kind of problems like this Windows. If you face such kind of problem, I'll teach you this also. Okay, just